Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going on a trip from Lagos to the eastern part of Nigeria, and I'm going to take you guys along so you can see everything you could buy while on this trip, on this road trip. So enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. So guys, this antelope, I had people try them out and they really enjoyed it anyways. But even if I didn't try it out, they really enjoyed it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. And also note guys, I didn't eat all that you saw here. I only just made a video of them. Thank you guys, bye.